Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big at work, and today I'm in a diesel. LA all day. When do I usually check if there's any trash hanging from the tailgate? At the dump. Looks like I'm gonna need to get my glove and grab that and take it off. Maybe it's just me, but some of these hot dogs have x-ray vision, because I just went through like 10 minutes of cleaning all my mirrors and windshield. It was super dirty. All right, shout outs. There's a few of them, so I gotta open my phone. Shout outs to Houston Filmer Refuse, the Hawkesbury Garbo. This one's a little tricky, I couldn't click on it. Ishe Ba 2736. RS Dude 99 Alt. Let's try that again. RS Dude 99 Alt. And shout outs to Cold Zero. Last but not least, Jesus. Hey. Last but not least, Jesus. Alright, good. Let's go. Oh, the old diesel. Who knows how many times am I going to be on a diesel from here on out. This might be the last time. AC seems to be working. Got the air fan manually on. Heated mirrors to keep them clean from dust. It helps dust resistant. That's what it helps with. And heading to the landfill. It's going to be a hot day, so hopefully she doesn't overheat on me. Remember, guys, cans, bins placement. Separate the cans at least a foot or two if you can, if possible, from cars, from each other can. Give us space to grab them and go. And if it's raining, 2 feet away from the curb so the water doesn't take it from your home. Man, they really left a mess for me here. Look at that, it's packed. And this is the part where I check if there's any loose debris hanging. Unlike this morning, how I found it. Look at that giant mountain that was in there. Crazy. Picking up the first can. Starting off with a delay. The truck was loaded. So in this truck, this is the auto neutral switch. I decide when it's gonna go on neutral. See, look, back on drive, versus when it does it by itself. All right, let's get going. Alright, time to get used to these controls, see how she works. Free grip, line it up, auto neutral, pick it up. Look at that screen. It's not the biggest, but it's clear enough. I like it. I like the placement. And this is metal. Mine, plastic, it's already broken. The new ones, they're gonna break pretty soon too. So I just noticed my truck is tilting to the left, so you know what that means. Let's check it out. Let's do an extreme close-up on that. Oh no. And she wet the bed. It's okay. We'll get it fixed. Don't worry about it. Smells like overtime out here. I'm gonna go ahead and stay put because last time I didn't notice, or it was too late when I noticed the tire had half of it came off, so I don't want that to happen. I'm gonna wait right here. I'm not in the way. A truck went past by me already, and I'm not blocking any driveway, so we're gonna wait for the road mechanic. It's a front tire. They don't mess around with the front tire, so I'm gonna get a brand new one. They're all pretty new. But yeah, the rare ones are different. The rare ones, we just get them rethreaded. The front ones, brand new. Bye bye, hot dog. Thank you. All right, back to business. Line it up. Almost forgot the outer neutral there. All right, getting used to it. Every truck is different. Pre-grip, line it up. Outer neutral, pick it up. The rear camera on this one is at the top, so I get a bird's eye view. On my truck, it's like halfway up the tailgate, which is okay, but I like this one better. I think they changed the position because it's easier for us to reach the lens and clean it out versus the top one. It was hard to clean. I'm gonna have to get out for this one. Way too close to this vehicle. Pre-grip, line it up, auto neutral, pick it up. Pre-grip, line it up. Auto neutral, pick it up. Got into a rhythm with the characteristics of the truck, with the switches, the arm, the clamps, the pre-grip. So now we're in the zone now. Pre-grip, line it up, auto neutral, pick it up. That mirror is small at the top. This whole bracket is too close, but I can see it perfect. It's just not ideal for you guys, I think. As you can see, I already got that side. On my way in, that truck was in the way. I had to honk my way through. He had to move, turn around, collecting the other side, and that truck is right back in it where I found it. They can't put it together that I'm collecting the whole alley, not just half of it. They have a construction site right there, and they just have to park right next to the house, I guess, or right behind it. We're gonna find out right now if they have any parking. I don't know why he chooses to park in the alley. The alley is not a parking lot. What? parking right there. That's not a driveway. There is parking in front of this car, right behind it, right behind that truck. So plenty of parking, but people just got to do what they want to do. Get in the way of others. There he is, closing his door, getting his truck for the second time, delaying himself and delaying me. Looks like he has a dog. Alright, get out of the way, doggy. Good job. You'll probably end up parking there again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like. I am not supposed to be done right now. I had another delay. My diesel PTO broke down. Had to bring it in. Picked up a CNG. Got a lot of help. Thank you so much, household. I'm gonna make it to Brandon's game. Let's go get the kids. Ellie Danny out.